Hello friends, I am Soham Sarkar from CodeX and today I am over here to broadcast our project HoverDraw, which lets you to use your webcam as a drawing paper and you can easily draw over it by just hovering a finger around your webcam. Our problem origins during this pandemic season when the entire education system of the world is being impacted and thus has led to online education as a primary mode of learning in schools and colleges. This has impacted teachers to make students understand some theory-based topic really difficult and time-consuming. So we have come up with a solution and built it a Python-based application which lets you to draw on your screen from your webcam by just hovering a finger around your webcam. This makes teachers comfortably express themselves while teaching and have the experience of Blackboard virtually. So our project works by using your webcam and then figuring your hand and then masking your hand in white while the other background objects to black, after which it calculates the position of user's finger and then draws corresponding point accordingly onto the screen. So our project implements three very simple steps to follow. Number 1. We have implemented three colors, black, red and green, which could be accessed by just hovering over the boxes on the top of your screen. Next, we have implemented a clear screen which could be accessed by just pressing the C button on your keyboard, and to quit the application you can press Q button as well. So here are our team members: Soham Sarkar, Shreya Kole, Sagnik De and Ankita Chaudhary. Thank you.